Welcome to another episode in the Jarring Science Club. I'm your host, Brenda, and today we're going to be learning about a sheep's life cycle. This is part of our NGSS animal cycle lesson that aligns with the 3rd grade standards. For this activity, you're going to need a template that comes in the lesson pack, so make sure you have that before continuing this lesson. You're also going to need a cup, some glue, and some scissors. Alright, let's get started. First, cut out the animals from your template. In our template, we have a lamb, we have an ewe, we have a ram, and we have a mom and a baby sheep. You can be as precise or not as you want when you're cutting out your animals. Now take one of your cups and glue the animals in the proper life cycle order around it. I always like to start with baby, try to get your animals evenly spaced around your cup. Try to get everything glued down nice and tight so it doesn't catch on your top cup. Now what you're going to do is take your second cup and cut a window into it as big as your animals so that we can see them. Now rotate your cup to identify the different life cycle stages of a sheep. We have our newborn lamb, then we have our ewe, here's our ram, and then finally we've got the mom. Finally, we've got the mom and baby sheep. So this represents birth. Here is the adult version of the sheep, the ewe. Here is the adult version of a male sheep, the ram. These represent growth. And then this stage of the mom and baby sheep represents reproduction. Don't forget to check out the lesson portal and take the quiz on this lesson. Thanks for taking part in this STEM experiment. I hope you had fun learning.